Turner. Now, the weather today is not too bad either. It's a cold start if you're just about to step out, but for most of us, it's going to be dry with sunny spells. At the moment, we do have some cloud around, particularly across northern Scotland. That will produce some outbreaks of rain today, but you can see this big lump of cloud across the southeast into the Midlands. Move away from that into southwest England and Wales. We're back under the clear skies. So here's that lump of cloud you saw in the satellite picture. It's drifting westwards, but what you'll find is it will tend to break up as we go through the course of the day. North of that into northern England and also Northern Ireland and much of Scotland, it's a fine start. There's a wee bit of cloud around, but we've got the thickest cloud across the far north of mainland Scotland and also the Northern Isles, and that's where we'll see some outbreaks of rain accompanied by breezy conditions. Still quite breezy in southern England and the east, and if you're close to the coastline today in the east, it will feel cool. But note how that cloud is breaking up through the day, so more sunshine will develop. So for many, a beautiful day in prospect. Temperatures up to about 20 Celsius in the London area, but possibly 23 around the Edinburgh area. Also worth mentioning the UV levels. They're high across many parts of the UK. That's not unusual at this stage in the year when the sun, of course, is reaching its strongest, but you can see very high in the southwest. So do slap on some sunscreen if you are spending any time outside today. Now, through the evening and overnight, we'll start off with relatively clear skies, and they'll remain so across southern Scotland, Northern Ireland and also northern England. Now here, the temperature will dip to about 1 to 3 Celsius, but with all these clouds streaming in from the North Sea, it's going to be higher than that as we move across parts of England and Wales, and the same too across northern Scotland. Tomorrow we start off with all that cloud around, but through the day it will tend to break up, and so for many tomorrow it's going to be another beautiful day with a fair bit of sunshine around. Still some rain not too far away from the Northern and Western Isles, but through the day we'll start to import some showers from the near continent. Now, we think they're just going to affect southwest England at this stage, and by no means will we all see them, but some of them will be heavy and also thundery, and they're going to start to raise the humidity levels. You certainly will notice that, but even more so by the time we get to Friday. Now, the timing of the heavy thundery downpours could change, but this is what we think at the moment. They could move a bit further north faster, so we could have them further north through the morning, or the opposite is also true, but the humidity levels will certainly be rising during the course of Friday. It will feel quite oppressive, that 26 in London. Move north of that though, and depending on how far north these thundery showers get, we're under brighter skies, some sunshine, and not feeling as oppressive at all. Now, as we head through Friday night and into Saturday, that whole system producing the thundery downpours will continue to migrate northwards, getting into North Wales, the Midlands, and eventually into northern England. So it's going to be quite lively overnight, Friday into Saturday. Lou and Charlie.